This vampire treatment uses your blood to regrow hair. Imagine harnessing the power of your own body to combat hair loss. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's very real and very effective. And no, it's not a horror movie, it's science. This innovative procedure is known as platelet-rich plasma therapy, or PRP for short. It's a cutting-edge treatment that's gaining popularity for its natural approach to hair restoration. Hair loss isn't just thinning strands, it's anxiety, wasted money on snake oil and feeling like you've tried everything. The emotional toll can be overwhelming, leaving you feeling hopeless and frustrated. But what if the cure is in your veins? What if the solution to your hair loss woes is already within you, waiting to be unlocked? 50% of adults battle hair loss. You're not alone. This is a common issue that affects millions of people worldwide, regardless of age, gender, or background. PRP hijacks your body's healing power. By concentrating the platelets in your blood, PRP therapy taps into your body's natural ability to heal and regenerate. Concentrate platelets from your blood, inject them into your scalp, and boom, dormant follicles wake up. It's like giving your hair follicles a wake-up call, encouraging them to start growing again. Your platelets =, growth factor superheroes. These tiny components of your blood are packed with growth factors that stimulate hair growth and improve the health of your scalp. Pills have side effects, but PRP, it's a natural alternative that doesn't rely on chemicals or synthetic ingredients. It's 100% natural, zero chemicals. This means fewer risks and a treatment that works in harmony with your body. Studies show 70% saw thicker hair in 6 months, better results than minoxidil. This is a significant improvement, offering hope to those who have struggled with other treatments. Even Kim Kardashian swears by PRP. When celebrities endorse a treatment, it often gains more attention and credibility. But here's the bloody truth. While PRP is effective, it comes with a cost. It's pricey, $500 to $2,000 per session, and not FDA approved for hair loss. This means it's an investment, and you'll need to weigh the benefits against the cost. But for drug-free results, worth the sting? Many find the natural, drug-free approach worth the investment, especially when they see the result. Skip if you're anemic or on blood thinners. It's important to consult with a medical professional to ensure PRP is safe for you. Here's what to expect. Let's break down the process so you know exactly what you're getting into. Blood draw, 5 mins, no fainting. The first step is drawing your blood, which is quick and relatively painless. Spin cycle, centrifuge magic. Your blood is then placed in a centrifuge to separate the platelets from the other components. Injection time, 10 mins of tiny pricks, think acupuncture. The concentrated platelets are then injected into your scalp, which may feel like tiny pinpricks. Pro tip: pop arnica pills to reduce bruising. Arnica can help minimize any bruising or swelling from the injections. And yes, you can flex your vampire treatment on Instagram. Share your journey and results with your followers. Good prep. Stay hydrated and get a scalp massage pre-session. Proper preparation can enhance the effectiveness of the treatment. Bad prep. Chugging coffee caffeine means more bleeding. Avoid caffeine before your session to reduce the risk of excessive bleeding. I cried over my bald spot for years. The emotional impact of hair loss can be profound, affecting your self-esteem and confidence. 4 PRP sessions later, my ponytail's thicker than my denial. The results can be life-changing, giving you back the hair you thought you'd lost forever. If you're ready to turn your blood into hair gold, smash that like button, show your support, and let us know you're interested in more content like this. Comment PRP below, and subscribe for more life-changing beauty hacks. Join our community and stay updated on the latest beauty treatments and tips.